Pemanasan global dapat memberikan dampak besar bagi spesies ikan dunia. Sebuah studi tingkat gas rumah kaca berbahaya, termasuk karbon dioksida, dinitrogen, dan metana, meningkat hingga ke rekor tertinggi.
Perubahan iklim dapat membuat ikan-ikan ini punah atau memangsa spesies ikan untuk
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce my name is Kalisa Putri from class A2 Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Binariada University. English subject US assignment. On this occasion, I would like to talk about a very important and increasingly urgent issue, namely the impact of global warming on natural research and human life. Global warming is one of the biggest challenges faced by humanity today. As global temperature rise, the impact on both our natural research and our daily life is becoming more and more pronounced. But do we really understand what is happening and how it affects the world around us? Global warming is not just about rising temperature, it is a complex phenomenon that it changes ecosystem, natural research, and also human lifestyle. However, many of us are still unaware of its impact. Therefore, let us work together to grow awareness about the dangers of global warming and how we can play a role in reducing it. The impact of global warming on natural research. Global warming affects almost every aspect of our natural research, namely
forest loss, deforestation due to fire and climate change. Global warming increases the risk of forest fire caused by rising temperatures and prolonged drought. Forests that serve as carbon sink and habitats for biodiversity are diminishing. Impact decreased ability of the earth to absorb carbon. Loss of habitat for flora and fauna. Disruption of the hydrological cycle. Drought and depletion of water source. Change in weather patterns due to global warming are causing prolonged drought in various regions. This results in decrease in river and reservoir discharge, decrease in groundwater reserve, reduced clean water for household, farmers, and industry needs. Glacier melting and sea level rise. Glaciers are melting faster due to increased global temperatures. Impact sea level rise that threatens coastal ecosystem and result in seawater intrusion into freshwater source. Damage to marine ecosystem. Global warming causes an increase in ocean temperatures and acidification of seawater as a result bleaching and death of coral reefs, which are important habitats for marine biodiversity. Decline in fish population, which impact the economy and food security of coastal communities.
the impact of global warming on human life and health. Global warming is also having a serious impact on human life. Agriculture, which depends on stable weather patterns, is increasingly threatened by drought, such as floods and unpredictable seasonal changes. Natural disasters such as more frequent tropical storms and forest fires are destroying infrastructure and forcing many people to become homeless. Poor air quality due to greenhouse gas emission and industrial pollution also affects human life. Respiratory illnesses, stroke, and heart diseases are on the rise due to exposure to polluted air, flooding due to climate change can contaminate water sources, causing diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, and skin infection. Causes of global warming. Global warming is caused by an increase in in the atmosphere, partly from human activities. Some of the main causes of global warming are
Fossil fuel combustion, the use of oil, gas, and coal for energy produce carbon dioxide with trapped heat. Deforestation reduces nature's ability to absorb CO2 and release carbon into the atmosphere. Agriculture and livestock. These activities produce greenhouse gases such as methane and nitrous oxide. Industry and waste. Industrial process and waste management produce harmful gases that exacerbate global warming.
global warming prevention. However, while the impacts are enormous, we still have the opportunity to slow global warming and mitigate further damage. The main steps that can be taken are reducing greenhouse gas emission by switching to renewable energy such as solar, wind, water, increasing energy efficiency, and supporting environmentally friendly transportation such as electric vehicles. Forest protection by reforestation and stopping deforestation to maintain forests as carbon sink. Sustainable agriculture by reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and implementing environmentally friendly farming techniques. Waste management, reducing waste by recycling and composting to reduce methane emission. Policy and education to government can set emission regulation and raise public awareness through education. Conclusion: global warming is not a problem that can be solved overnight, but with collective action and lifestyle change, we can reduce its impact. Now is the time to act. If we want the earth to remain habitable for future generations, we must start acting today.
My bedroom door, my conscience burning, my eyes are too cuddled up with a heart content. I should love you, and I swear I do.
That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.